Hi, I'm Matthew Coast, dating advice researcher, and today I'm going to show you how to send text messages to a guy that make him want you more. Step number one, show interest. If you want a man to become more interested in you, he needs to know you're interested in him. Ask questions, give him compliments, but don't overdo it. Step number two, give him space. You don't want to smother a man because that will drive him away. The magic is in the middle here. Show interest, but give him space to pursue you. Step number three, tease him. Hint at things about yourself, and when he asks you to talk about them, tell him it's a long story and better told in person. This will make him want to meet up with you. Step number four, cut the texting short. You don't want a text buddy. You want a man who meets with you in real life. Let him know that you want to continue talking, but you're really busy and would make time if he wants to meet up with you. If you want to make him chase you through text, get the exact text messages that many of my clients have used to get a man hooked. Click the link now to get the text messages.